So this is where we stopped, and now let us go and see where our curriculum, what we'll be doing. Today we are to create a categories, and these categories we have a niche-based listing categories, which is a standalone category. That is to say, you can choose one of these house if you are dealing with houses or creating this kind of website. You can use a houses. You can also use a land if you want to deal with only land issue. That is why we call it a niche based, that is standalone niche. And also warehouses depend on you. And we also have what we call multi-link base. These are the multi-link base, multi-link niche base listing category. There are also a multiple niche. Now we have a category that is car accessories, and under car accessory we have a subcategories of car tire, car wheel rim, car battery. So also a truck accessory will be having a truck tire and also a truck wheel rim and a truck battery as a subcategories. These are what we call a multi niche based listing category. These are one of those things we are going to do. Now, if you take a look at it, we are creating a 6 block category. Look at the marking here: 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is at the level of category we are going to create. So let's go in and commence our training. Now, how do we do it? We go back to our page, come down to your left hand side, see the listing here. Then you see the listing category. Once you click on this category, you see the lot of the inbuilt category that come with that import. These are the 3 categories. What we do, we click here, let it load. So if you want to remove one after the other, you click one here and remove it, and you click this one and remove it. You remove it one after the other. But you want to remove them once, you click on top and then click on this, click here and apply. It will be removed. So when these categories are removed, what we do now is to create a fresh categories, and then when we create a fresh category based on the niche and every other thing we have there. Now, if you look at the category have been removed, so when you go back to this listing here or possible listing here, let me just remove them and show you. If I refresh now, you find out that this category down here will be removed, or this category will be removed. So let me refresh and show you how it works. So just wait a bit and you see that it's all removed. So look down here, come down a bit. You can see the category, the top category have been removed, except the one that remain here are the listing, recent listing pages. Now, as it is like this, now let us go up and begin to add a category. How do we add a category? Click here, come down to the category here, and one of the category here is what we are dealing with house. After house, we talk about land and the rest of them. So go back here. Let's go and create house. As houses, come down here. You can choose, write a description. Let me just put image, though it is optional, but it's good for you to add image so that you look more professional. Then click here. Like I have already uploaded the images here. You can click here, upload file, select files, then you add whatever image you want to add. Then let me go to download and then just show you how to upload image to the system. Okay, that's what I'm just trying to do now. Then you go to download. You can see the images here. I want to show you. It's not that I actually want to use those images. Let me just assume that let me take apartment. I'm just giving you an example. of images here. Come down here or go up. Let me go up and see if I can get image here. Let me use this one. Click on this, click open, then it will be selected. Then this is how we add the image. Okay, so that is how the image will be added. See that the image has been added. Okay, so let me show you the image we are talking about house. We're talking about house. Let me find a house. Let me use this one. You can see the image dimension is 1600 by 1600. Make it a square. Then click select image, and then it will be uploaded. Then you come down here. Maybe let me just put this and give it 1. Okay, I know why. I will tell you why, because I want it to be arranged accordingly. Then you click here, apply. Now if you go back here, you will find out that the category has been added. You can see it here. So I'll go over there and add the remaining category which you have seen here. I'll add this remaining 3 category. After that, I will show you how to add this car listing category and the subcategories. So now let me refresh up here, and so that it will show you what have just happened. When you click here now, you see that one of the category will appear here. So okay, so that you see how it is. You can see one of the category have just been added. You can see it here. So let's go and add the remaining category, and once I come back, I will show you the remaining. So let me show you how to add the multi-niche base we have created. Now let me add the category car accessory, then I will show you how to add the subcategories. So let's go there and then see how it will work. Come here, car accessories, car accessory. One of the subcategories of this one is car tire. Remember, car tire, we have car, wheel rim, and the rest of them. Let me show you putting this one, and after putting this one, then use the example to put the rest. Let me copy it so that you see how it works. We have already added car accessories. Now go back here. Come here. You can see the car accessory here. You can see the car accessory. So come here and I paste this one. Then come down. Now where it has parent category, click on here. You see the car accessory will be shown for you. Then you come down here. You can remove the image, or you may like to leave the image. That consign you. If you wish, is optional. You can go there and decide to put tire. Let me just show you. So it's optional. You can do. If you wish, you leave it empty. You come here. Let me just use any of the tire, and then come here and save, and that is just it. So no any other thing to show. So let me add the remaining one and come back so that we'll continue. You can see, let me show you what happened here. You can see the car accessory here. You can see the subcategory with a minus sign. Okay, so let me add the remaining one. So I'm showing you example how to add it. So I'll add this one, come and create another category and add the rest. Okay, so let's go there. So we have done creating all the category. You can see them here. You can see it. Car accessory have battery, car tires, car rim, and the same thing with trucks. You can see truck here. You can see truck battery, truck tire, and tire rim. So we are done with that. So let's go and refresh our page here. If we refresh, we see how many of them will be listed here. We only have 3 here. So let me refresh and see how many will be displayed. You can see it is only 3 that have been displayed. So where are the remaining one? So let me show you how to bring the remaining 3 out so that all of them will be displayed at the home page. You click on the edit page here. Just click on the edit page here. You can see it up here. So let it open and I will show you how to get them. So is open. So you scroll down, you see the categories here. You can see the category here. So it's only three that appears. So what do we do? Click on them. Just click on one of them here. When you click on this, you look at the right hand side. You see where it asks you how many column. We choose three column. Okay, this is a three column. How many number of those things category do you want it to appear? Just put 6. Do you want any parent category? That is the sub parent category? No, just leave it this way. Okay, after you have done that, you click update. So let it show, so that you click update and save. If you come down like this, you will see the 6 have appeared. You can see the magic here. So click on update here, so that it will be updated. It has been updated. Let's go and see what are the changes. Open the site in a new window. I want to see the change. So click here. We're waiting for it to open. So it has opened. Come down this way. Come down this way. You can see the six categories have been displayed. So you can see them here. When you look up here, you see that they are empty. Nothing is listed in of the among all these things here. You can see. So you can click any of these ones here to add. Let me assume that I want to add listing on this one, car accessory. So when you click that, you see what will be displayed. You can see. So you come down here, nothing is here, nothing. See the category filters, nothing is there. So that is how this one is. So it's a zero listing. If you want to add listing, you click here. So when you click here, add listing. So the add listing will be open. You can choose category, you can choose land, you can choose warehouse, depending on what you want. So okay, you can come down here, you can choose a car accessory, and then you will be told which car accessory do you want, a car wheel rim, battery, or car tire. You can choose car tire and then put the image, select the image here, and select the image here and put whatever you want to put. Okay, that is how we add those things. So when you choose and you maybe you add one of the tire, whatever here, write the title and the rest. So I'm just showing you. So now let's go back to our main, and then this one is done. So what we are going to do now is that as apartment, there is things that make apartment the makes apartments to be a worthy apartment, and there's things that make a tire to be a tire. For instance, tire need sizes, tire need make, tire need design. These are the things that we need, the requirement. So those ones are what we call attributes. So for us to create attribute, when you come to the listing here, you come down, you see where you say attribute. So from attribute now we ask, is the car red, is the car yellow, is the car brown, is the car red? So depending on the attribute are the features of what you are selling. They are all the features of what you are selling. So you come here, when you click attribute, then you add attribute. So the next things we are going to do now is to create attribute for this product. So that is what we are going to do now, creating attribute for this product. So let me show you what we'll be learning